heard people say, I wish my life came with a handbook. And I'm here to tell you that you do have a handbook. And your spiritual handbook, it's actually called the Akashic Records. It's also known as the Book of Life. Now, Akasha is a Sanskrit word for ethers, the sky or the atmosphere up above. And I'd like for you to think of a huge computer storehouse in the sky that's holding everything that ever was, that's in the past, the all that is now, which is now is the present moment, and the future. And the future is the infinite possibilities. And all of this is helping you to access everything that you would love. So the Akashic Records is that system. It's not something else. So it's your book of life that lives in another dimension, and that's all around you right now. So I'm Sharon Karen, and I'm a facilitator. I have been working with this system for over 30 years, and I've helped hundreds of people. And I'm here to guide you to exactly what you want to know to move your life to the next level. Okay, so here's the magic sauce. Your personal Akashic reading and clearing, your spring clearing, and I'll be giving this to you. So now, I want to share something with you before I tell you about a little bit more about the reading. I love to give you some simple tips that you can use right now to help you, also to take with you, so you will know what to do when you want to calm your nervous system down and access this system. And this system is the book of life within. So step number 1 is breathing. And that breathing is to slow down your nervous system, getting out of the fight or flight. You will not be able to access your Akashic Records, your deep soul connection, without your sacred breath. So here's the mantra. It's breathe, ground, and remember. So you breathe in deeply through your nose, out very, very slowly, like you're blowing through a straw. Again, through your nose, out even slower as you're breathing into your heart space. So let's do that together. We're actually here, you're filling up your heart with the sacred breath and all the love energy. So breathe in deeply and send it down all the way to your tailbone. And another breath out even slower, sending that sacred breath down into your legs and into the bottom of your feet. Okay, now for step 2, the next step. I want you to wiggle your toes and say hello to Gaia, the Mother Earth. This is how you ground. And as you're grounding yourself, I want you to tell yourself, I am safe, I am safe, I am safe. And yes, you are safe because gravity keeps you connected to the earth always, and you cannot float away. And then the step number 3 is remembering who you are. You are a luminous light being, powerful beyond measure. And you are here in an earth suit having a physical experience. Breathe, ground, and remember. Now that you're totally relaxed and feeling deeply connected, ask yourself, what would it be like if I knew exactly what my soul came here to do? Ask yourself that question. Where did my soul originate from? And I'm asking you, do you know the reason that you came to Earth at this very important time? Because this isn't an, oh, by the way, this is a very, very crucial time on the Earth. So ask yourself, what are my talents and gifts? And what have I come to share with others, these talents and gifts? And so you will know what your next steps are by using your unique purpose to serve others. So if you're ready to embark on this journey with me to the depths of your soul, I would love to give you a personal Akashic reading. Those who work with me and that have over the 30-year span, they are transformed forever. And that's what I want for you. Wouldn't you love all of this information to take you and move you forward on your soul journey? Don't miss your spring clearing for your soul. That's what we're talking about today. So contact me and save $125. And you can go to www.sharonkaren.com. You'll find me on Facebook at Sharon Karen, and most all of the social media platforms. So just type in the comments, I'm in, and I'll send you a private message and we'll get you started. I love you very much.